Imagine a house that feels like a hidden sanctuary, built to close itself off from the outside world and open only to the silence and tranquility of its own interior. This is the Tneib House, a residence that does not face the street. It turns inward, creating an introspective refuge that protects its private universe from outside view. From the outside, all you see is a sequence of low stone walls that seem to flow quietly beneath a continuous concrete slab. These walls do more than enclose space, they define a threshold, a moment of transition between everyday life outside and the inner world of the architecture. Located in Amman, Jordan, the house does not try to stand out with striking facades. It asserts itself through a solid, restrained, almost monolithic presence. This inward-facing gesture resonates with local historical and Islamic architectural traditions, where internal courtyards and enclosed spaces are central elements for reflection, calm, and introspection. Facing this open heart, rescued ancient olive trees remain as anchors of memory, connecting the house to the place, its history, and the passage of time around it. At the heart of the composition is the living zone, a space that exists as an articulating void, flanked by two solid volumes, one dedicated to private nighttime functions and the other housing service areas. The living room sits precisely between these two volumes, acting as an open space that breathes with the house. Materiality is essential to the experience of the house. The exterior walls, made of locally quarried white stone, are arranged in a restrained horizontal rhythm that grounds the house in its site. Inside, the atmosphere is one of calm and serenity. Natural woods in soft tones and a neutral palette create a warm, quiet environment where each space seems to invite the inhabitant to pause, breathe, and observe. Thick walls provide shade and shelter, while the internal courtyard brings in light, vegetation, and natural ventilation, a combination that makes the house both protective and expansive, modern yet deeply rooted in its cultural context. As you move through the Tneib House, you feel a spatial continuity that reflects a dialogue between tradition and contemporaneity, between protection and openness, between silence and presence. Large sliding glass doors recessed into the stone walls disappear when fully opened, dissolving the boundary between interior and exterior and extending the living spaces beneath the concrete slab into the garden and courtyard. Rather than impressing through grand gestures, this house chooses deliberate quietness. Nothing here distracts from the human experience of space, from the way light shifts, air moves, and stone and wood come together. The Tneib House shows us that architecture can be an inner refuge, a place where daily life is lived with clarity, calm, and a deep awareness of place and history.